BENZ multimedia screen link with LCD dashboard screen to 015 to 2018 NTGF IV drop 0. BENZ LCD dashboard screen has 7 UI styles: Classic mode, Avant-garde mode, Soft mode, Prestige mode, Super sports mode, Performance mode, Full screen. The dashboard can be enlarged or reduced according to needs. The dashboard can operate 3 functions on the same screen in both Super Sports mode and Performance mode. Display same screen linkage on the left, dashboard in the middle, and dashboard functions on the right. Attention Assist S, Energy Consum, Mileage Display. Audio. Can play audio files and music in multiple formats. Shortcut key function display. Long press the home button to switch between instrument modes, and long press other shortcut keys to switch between other functions. Door prompt. Settings. Mobile hotspot links. Select vehicle model. View version information. Adjust screen brightness. Set theme color. Engineering mode, unit display, speed odometer temperature, time, date, etc. You can also set the size and position of the intermediate linkage screen. BENZ multimedia screen link with LCD dashboard screen. The linkage function can be displayed on the LCD dashboard screen. It can also display differently on the same screen. Display other functions in the connected screen separately.
wanna rock you, baby. I wanna rock your body. I wanna rock you, baby. I wanna rock your body. I wanna rock you, baby.